today. Hi friends, I hope you are staying safe at home. Today we have a fun activity and I have someone with me, my daughter.
Hi guys, my name is Amaya.
Okay, and what are we making today, Amaya?
Play-Doh.
You're gonna make your own?
Play-Doh.
Your own Play-Doh. And all you need is, how many ingredients you need? How many?
3.
Count it. 3, count it.
1, 2, 3.
Three ingredients. So the first thing you need is, Amaya, what is the first thing you need?
1 cup of flour.
1 cup of flour.
And the other ingredient is
Half a cup.
half a cup of salt.
Okay. And
water.
And water.
If you want to make a coloring, you can use some food coloring.
Yes. So let's start.
Okay, first
1 cup. You pour your 1 cup of flour.
thing. Wow. This is gonna be fun.
And half a cup of salt. Then you're gonna get the water. You're gonna do the same amount of the salt is half a
cup
of water. Half a cup of water. And
then
yes.
pour it.
And you pour it out.
And you mix it.
Yes, mix it. This is a very fun activity to do at home. It's very easy. All you need is 3 ingredients. That's all you need.
And if it gets a little hard, you can put a little more.
A little bit more water, yes. To make it a little bit more softer. Okay. And now
Mix it.
Mix it. Okay, now. Ooh, that's
Very soft.
very soft. A little more, Maya.
And now let's mix it more before we even add food coloring.
Yes. That's a very, very, very good activity.
And it's very easy.
It is very easy to help the kids with their motor skills.
Make sure it doesn't stick to you. Wash your hands
Good.
before you do this.
Yes, we wash our hands before we did this. And mix it a little bit more, Maya. Let's see, those ones are dry. Make it like very...
Make sure you mix
We have
wisely.
this bowl, it's a little too high. Maybe you want to get another bowl that is not too high, so it could be easier for the kids at home. It's not too uncomfortable.
And when you're done using it, put it in a bag, in a Ziploc bag, and put it in the freezer. And when you need to use it, it's right there. And it'll be there, and it'll be good for 4 weeks.
For 4 weeks? Wow.
Now let's add some food coloring.
What color you gonna use, Amaya? Because I have different color. You wanna tell the friends that are watching what colors do you have and which one you choosing?
I'm choosing the red.
Yeah, but what other colors do we have?
We have red, yellow, green,
Green,
blue,
and blue. But you choosing?
red.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oops. If you don't have full coloring at home, it's totally fine. Amaya, you want me to put? Amaya wanted to have it colorful. You could put maybe like
More than one.
how many? Maybe 4 and 5.
Now we're gonna mix it
And
up.
mix it. Mix it. I don't think it's gonna spill. The bowl is very high up. Pucho, put it outside and show it like how is it looking so far. Take a little bit of that. So get more from there. And you could like make it more.
Oh my god, this is so
Make-
fun. It looks like pink now. Cause red and white make pink.
That's really good. Okay. And then Amaya made some recommendation of the week. She said that you could put it in a Ziploc bag or any container and you could save this at least for 4 weeks. That's
It'll
very
be good for 4 weeks.
It'll be good for 4 weeks.
You can make it again anytime.
Yeah. Okay. And this is a very fun, again, this is kind of high, but you can make it like get a different bowl. So I hope you enjoy it. This is very easy to do at home. You don't need, all you need is 3 ingredients. Is flour, salt, and water. And if you have food coloring, if you don't have, that's okay too. And that's it. It's fun. People could keep it. It's very entertaining for a little while. They could play. They could make. They could.
That's a fun activity. You can do it all